स्वागत है आप सभी का आज के वीडियो में। तो आज हम करेंगे हाथी योग। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम एक कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में बैठ जाएंगे। आप किसी भी पोजीशन में बैठ सकते हैं, या तो आप सुखासन में बैठ सकते हैं या पद्मासन या वज्रासन में बैठ सकते हैं। और हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सेंटरिंग से। तो आप अपनी आँखों को क्लोज कर लें और डीप इनहेल डीप एक्सहेल करते रहें। अपने हाथों को घुटनों पे रखें और चिन्ह मुद्रा में। डीप इनहेल डीप एक्सहेल, इनहेल एक्सहेल। We'll start with chanting Omkara 3 times. Start. Deep inhale. Inhale. Relax. Slowly rub your palm. Touch your face and slowly open your eyes. So we'll start a warm up with doing Surya Namaskar, Shivananda Surya Namaskar. So come to the front of your mat. So the first round will go a bit slower. Come to the Pranamasana. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, forward bending. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalan. Left leg back, right leg front. Exhale, Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalan. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Utthasana. Exhale, Pranamasana. Round 2. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll go with third round. Come to Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Utthasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalan. Exhale, Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalan. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Utthasana. Pranamasana. Take a deep breath and relax. Close your eyes. Next, we'll come to the main asanas. We'll start with Utkatasan, chair pose. Just bend forward. Raise your hand up. Stay. Inhale, exhale. Stay for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Second, we'll go with Utkatasan variation. Come to chair pose. Try to lift your heels. Stay for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next, we'll go for Kalasan or goddess pose. So keep gap between the feet approx 3 feet, and bend your knees. Come to Kalasan. You can keep your hand here or here, so whatever comfortable for you. Let's start. We'll stay for 5 count. 1, try to go down as much as possible. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do variation. Try to lift your heels up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come to Samasthiti. We'll do Kaliyasana variation 3. Lift your hands up. We'll stay like this for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next, we'll go for Vasishthasana. So come to the plank pose. From this, we'll do side bend and raise our hands up. Stay for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is challenging, you can keep your elbow down and stay like this. 1, 2, 3, looks up. 4, 5. We'll do for the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So now we will repeat the whole session one more time. Come to chair pose. Lift your hands up. 1. Deep inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift your heels up. Stay for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Go to Kalyasana. Variation 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Variation 2. Lift your heels up. Stay for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Kalyasana variation 3. Keep your hands side. Keep your hands on one hand on thigh, the other hand lift up. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come to Vasishthasana, plank pose. Lift your hands up and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand, right hand up, left hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax in child pose. Next, we'll go for the cooling asanas. Just lie down on your back. And side by your body. Keep a distance of 1 feet between the legs. Open your hands by side. Twist your legs right side and look left side. Stay. Try to touch your both the knees to the ground. Stay for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We come to Shavasana. Straighten your both the feet. Keep a distance between the legs. Relax. Relax your breath. Slowly exhale, inhale. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your whole body, head to toe. Relax your mind. Now join both the legs. Movement for fingers, head side by side. Lift your both the hands above the head and stretch. Give a knee stretch to the whole body. Turn towards right side. With the help of left hand, comes up. Keep your eyes closed. We'll end the session with one Omkara. Joins your hand together. Deep inhalation. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bow down, Bhunamana. Rub your both the arms. Touch your face, eyes, and slowly open your eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. keep practicing, and do let me know on the in the comment below how you are feeling it, and if you have any doubts, just do let me know. Till then, thank you. Namaste.